five. That one's showing a little bit. Let's see if any of the other ones are showing. We call them peekers if they show, and that one's showing. This one is good. What it's showing is the foil that the ring is wrapped in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some people think that peekers are good luck. That's why I like to tell you if it shows. So if it shows is better? Not necessarily. That's just what some people think. Oh no! I said it's a surprise! You guys, help me pick one number. Is it like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Number 1 and number 2 are peekers. Peekers are like this, where they're like showing a little bit of the foil. The dish is dripping down this way. No. I can feel the bottom is alright, so I think I'm gonna choose. Oh, I got the last one. Sorry, okay. Alright, my favorite phrase is when I drop it, get it, is it? It's gonna go over, I'm letting you know now. Yeah, I feel like I'm doing like magic. Oh, it's 5, yes, yes. So we're gonna do this a little bit, not a lot, guys. I need something to scoop it out. We're gonna use the ruler, guys. I promise, like, I have a whole setup that I normally do this with. Yeah, it's not even in there. Yeah, so we're just digging away for the thing. That's how the little ring bones come. And then they have this foil inside. Let me get a piece of foil. So this is how they come. They're wrapped in a cute little foil like this. This is our profile. Blueberry, yeah. And then open it up. And then the ring comes in a little package. So this Enchant My Drink Last Grade Aquamarine Ice Crystal Aquamarine Cubic Zirconia on Royal Plating. Suggested retail is $188. Oh, you got one of the double bands. This is gorgeous, guys. Okay, so this is the ring. I don't know how well you can see that or not, though. With everything in the background. Oh, yeah, that is better.